The R&D team at Sun Electric has brought out a revolutionary family of boltless power connectors called QuickWej. QuickWej consists of a rigid wedge and a C-shaped spring member. During installation, wedge is mechanically driven into the C-member, spreading the C-member, which in turn places high forces on the conductors for a reliable and stable connection. Spring property of the C-member allows thermal expansion of conductors, ensuring reliability, minimization of energy losses, and elimination of hot spots. Connectors are specific to the sizes mentioned on them. This exclusive feature ensures maximum contact between conductors and connector, thereby enhancing connector performance. QuickWej is available for all sizes, combinations and types of conductors like ACSR, aluminium, copper and solid conductors from as small as 10 square millimeter up to as large as 1000 square millimeter. Jumps in transmission and distribution networks, taps and equipment connections in substations are major applications of QuickWej. QuickWej can harness electricity better than bolted connectors. The hydrophobic anti-corrosive conductive gel applied enhances efficiency and protects the connector from harsh environment. QuickWej is manufactured to the best quality standards. Connectors exceed requirements of all international standards.